Here we have some problems with trapezoids. Again, we're going to be missing, you're going to have an unknown measure, and so we've got to figure out the unknown measure. Here I've got my two bases and I've got my height, so my unknown measure is my area. Remember, area is 1/2 times B1, which in this case is 16.5, plus B2, which is 4.5, times my height, which is 6. And I can just stick this in the calculator. So 1/2 times 16.5 plus 4.5 times my height, which gives me an area of 63. Now in this next one, it looks like I'm missing my height. So I'm going to take my area. I'm going to convert these all to decimals because I think decimals are a little bit easier to work with than fractions. So 56 1/4 is going to be 56.25 equals 1/2. B1 is going to be 10.5 plus B2, which is 4.5, times my height. The first thing I'm going to do, so we could get rid of this half, first of all. We could just multiply both sides times 2. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 1/2 times 10.5 plus 4.5 in the calculator. And then now I just have 56.25 equals 7.5 times h. Now I can just divide by 7.5. So 56.25 divided by 7.5. That gives me 7.5. So equals my height. Here I'm actually missing one of the bases, so this is going to be pretty complicated. So my area is 11.25 equals 1/2 times B1, which is missing, plus B2, which is 4.5, times my height, which is 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and get rid of things. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply both sides times 2 because I don't like that half. So those go away. So 11.25 times 2 gives me 22.5 equals B1 plus 4.5 times 3. Now I'm going to divide by 3, so these go away. And I have to do it on that side. Oops. Which gives me 7.5 equals B1 plus 4.5. And now I can just subtract the 4.5 on both sides. Those cancel. And I'm left with 3 for my other base. And that is it.